All right, welcome back. And for this conversation, we have Ashutosh Mishra. He's a senior journalist. He's a pro-op voice. He's joining us live from Delhi. We also have Nikhil Jain, advocate, political analyst, leans towards the Congress party. And we also have Rahul Ishwar, political commentator, live from Trivandrum. And generally, I begin with the opposition, but this time, since the target is the government in power, the party in power, and there are some questions to be asked, so I want to begin with Shazia Ilmi. She is the nationalist spokesperson of the BJP. Shazia, very unfortunate mishap happening in Delhi, but second connected with the Mahakumbh pilgrims. The first one was in Prayagraj. You think that there have been some lapses which are coming out in the form of these stampedes, and the government could have done more?
Abhishek, first of all, I'd like to say that it's really sad, and we look at those pictures, and it's really fills our hearts with grief. Many of us are known to these stations, and we have families traveling through them. So definitely there must have been lapses, and I'm sure there are lapses, and it could have been averted, which is why there is a senior, a high-level team which is looking into it. But the fact of the matter is that, unfortunate as it is, and a heart goes out to those who have lost their lives, we need to find reasons as to what caused this stampede. While I understand and acknowledge the opposition's need to question the system that has led to this, or mismanagement, if any, or any kind of irregularity that has caused this, I would also like them to join hands. They're most welcome to raise important questions. This is, after all, extremely unfortunate. And, I can't express my sorrow and grief any more than this. But I think it's also time to wait, join hands with the government, and instead of making it only political and not about sorting the system or questioning it or making it better for it not to repeat these mistakes, but to make it only about politics. So this is what I'd like to say. I don't want to go into how many times this has happened during UPA. This is a standard response. They'll talk about, see what's happened with your government. So, and the standard replies, it has happened in UPA 2 times, so many times. I can quote how many more times, how the number of accidents that have happened in railways has it decreased. But I don't think this is any time for that. I think it's time to just express your grief and sadness and at the collapse is what's happened, and accept all the questions that there are there. They could be there and should be there, and just to work towards making it better.
Okay, let me open this.
I was exactly there on the same station with my friends a few days earlier. My brother travels up and down almost every week, so I know New Delhi station. I come from Allahabad and Kanpur, it's exactly the same. So I feel very strongly that's something I've done millions of times, you see. So, it could have been anybody. It could have been us. And you know what happens in a stampede.